It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we are with Eddy Bomba with Sheesh. Yes. Big up Skelly Records. Big up yourself, Skelly Records. Big up yourself. Your production this. We're going to jump to the one on here where the G have to say, because I know it's an Eddy season. So if you're an Eddy fan, drop a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Twitter. Let's go. Let's go, man. What's going on here, man? Let's go, man. Shit. Let's go. Yeah. Production team, big up yourself, man. Oh, that skipper, big up yourself. Sheesh. 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 Sheesh.
Put there some big boy balling.
Yeah.
That I kept myself in zip by talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Jeez.
Bad bitch, I suck my dick high funny. So I funny. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high funny. I funny, big up yourself. Big boy talk. Let's go. Okay, that's the second song now. Me hear it now. Alright. Sheesh. 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 Sheesh.
Yo, Skelly. Put there some
Big boy ballin'.
That I kept myself in zip
I
by
talking.
When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
Then go
Yeah.
down, take we light. Check it, every price. Bet me be real precise. And get this rectified. Me spend a 25. Left for electrified. My full with neck with ice. It look like paper light.
Yeah, floor. Binds. Yeah, floor, pussy. Catch the floor. Catch floor. And when I say this line, I can get direct this way. Yo. You're a season now, bro. You can't put that foot wrong. Let's go and grab the limelight. Your time now. Yeah. Sheesh. I talking.
When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Jeez. Then go down, take we light. Check it, every price. Bet me be real precise. And get this rectified. Me spend a 25. Left for electrified. My full with neck with ice. It look like paper light.
Yeah.
Me reach a 7 night. Me drink the Henny white.
The man said me reach a 7 hype. We drink the Henny White. So I must say me reach a 7 hype. You know, say some people have said, oh, watch him too hype. Dude, me pass 2 hype already. So I say anything you want to say. Me not watch the comment section. Say anything you want to say. Me not 2 hype again. Me 7 hype. Binds.
Be real precise. And get this rectified. Me spend a 25. Left for electrified. My full with neck with ice. It look like paper light. Me reach a 7 night. Me drink the Henny white. Your girl I catch a vibe. Me cocky will I light.
Yeah.
You see a devil eyes. Girl you a Gemini. I found the jet eye. I thought I catch ya. But there's some big boy balling. That I kept myself in zip by talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Jeez. Now make she tell her she knock in her head. That got a big offense. Your Fiji innocent, she trick you and she trick your friend.
No, make she tell herself she not in her head. That's a big offense. You think she innocent? Sheesh. Yo! No, make she tell herself she not in her head. I like she tell. She gonna trick you and trick your friend. Liar.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Now make she tell her she knock in her head. That got a big offense. Your Fiji innocent, she trick you and she trick your friend. Yeah. already be my ref. Girl, you better crick your neck. Have me dog, Jiffy Benz. We not do no little flex.
Henry, big up.
Maybe be see my belt. Eddy, I reach a tech. I could have prison cell. So me no listen them. When them a give comment. Bitch like me live already. And me I live again.
You know what I'm saying a while ago? Me not listen them. When I make comments. Me feel like me rich already. No. Rich like him live already. And him a live again. What?
Comment, maybe be see my belt. Eddy, I reach a tech. I could have prison cell. So me no listen them. When them a give comment. Bitch like me live already. And me I live again. But there's some big boy balling. That I kept myself in zip pipe talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. Nothing not clean, like they be my when they wash. She know that they want that picture when she snap. Break your pop, asking a scratch. Let the caca make me buy a zinger back. We never kept this on, I'm go check the stats. But a Hennessy 15, no so not. It's on the rack, move on the yacht. Move on watch it, better check and make it up. But there's some big boy balling. That I kept myself in zip pipe talking. When we pull up spaceship, sky falling. Bad bitch, I suck my dick high falling.
Sheesh. 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 Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Yeah. Divine Global, big up yourself. Production team, big up yourself. Skipper, big up yourself. Me like how Skipper. Well, me like how the young artist them a link. Cause we see Skipper them link with Savman them. We see Skipper now link with Eddy G. We know say Briscoe link with all the people. The artist them a link, brother. The artist them a link up. So it's a good look. It's a good look. Me like it. Unity strength. Me like it. Me like it in a dance hall. Bad bitch has something dick 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I'm thinking of something. Which me go wait a bit before me mention it. Probably in our next song if him do it again because me see him do it twice now in a 2 song now. The last song before this and this. So me I watch to see if him do it again. If him do it again, then I'm gonna mention it because something. Just leave it there. Let's leave it right there. Eddy G, Bomba, big up yourself, bro. You're a season now, dog. You can't put a foot wrong. The fans them I watch your every move, dog. So it's up to you right now if you just grab your time because like I said in your interview, when a year time, bro. You see me? When a year time, enough man forward get for them time and I rest now. You see me? So now a year time to put in the work and make sure say you make what you make from your time, bro. You see me? And stamp your name so your name will always be relevant. No matter if you get lukewarm or no. Cause right now you're hot, brother. You're born up the street. You see me? So big up yourself, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. DNA, big up yourself also. I am Roddy or well, not Roddy. I'm manager. So big up yourself, bro. Me know you're well experienced for you get the G which part you need to get to. So and give him the good advice as well. So big up yourself, Dan. Yeah. People, make sure you like the video, you know. Drop a sub on the channel, you know. You see me? Click on any of them 2 videos if you want some more Eddy G, you know. You see me? Yeah. This time I'm going to do right, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.